YouTube, what is y'all doing? Alright, first off, disregard all the junk that's in my background because I need to clean up down here in my little office slash storage room. Right back here, I got my wrap. So we ready to get into the finalized parts of wrapping the rest of my car. I got a B pillar I gotta do, and I also gotta do the trunk and back bumper. In this video, you probably only gonna see me do some of the B pillar and some of the trunk. A lot happened with the footage. They got messed up. So I pieced it together the best way I could. I hope y'all enjoyed it. But without wasting too much of y'all time, let's get into it. Let's get this car wrapped up. Probably gonna make another video soon talking about how much it cost me. The actual color, I'm using Vivid Vinyl Wrap. The color is called Matatech Nardo Gray. It's a matte Nardo Gray color. Yeah, I'm leaving the top black. You guys gonna see in the video. In the later video, I'm probably gonna do a full walking around on the car and everything. It's just kind of crazy right now with the virus and everything going on. But we're gonna get all of that taken care of. But first things first, let's get the rest of the car wrapped. Alright guys, so we got a lot done off camera. I got this whole B pillar done and the back bumper. I'm sorry I'm doing a lot of this off camera. It's just really hard to do this and record. I guess I could just sit the camera down and let it record, but usually something stupid happens, like it dies or something like that. But I'm gonna drop the footage that I had when I was starting on the B pillar. This bumper was really difficult. But yeah, today, I think we're just gonna work on getting this spoiler off and the Lexus logo so I can wrap the top of this trunk. I'm thinking about leaving this section down here where the license plate is black. I don't know yet. I don't know, I'm looking for some opinions on that. Alright guys, so after a while, I finally got the trunk all debadged, all the emblems gone. I took the spoiler off. I ran into some issues taking the spoiler off because apparently they use glue and bolts to keep it on there, which I didn't know, and it was a pain. But I got it off. I had to pretty much take my entire trunk apart, as you can see. It was just terrible. But it's off, it's ready to be wrapped. So that's what I'm about to get into. Okay, I was originally gonna wrap the whole trunk, but then I ran into a mistake when I was like heating this part up and pressing it in. It like got a hole in it, so I ended up just freehand cutting this all the way out, and it came out pretty good except for right here. It's not that straight, but if you just go across, it like came out really well. So I kind of surprised myself there. But I actually like this mistake actually led to a success, I guess, because I like that having the whole license plate area blacked out with the black spoiler. It just I don't know, it looks nice. So yeah, this is pretty much what it's gonna look like. I still need to redo the front bumper. I got enough wrap for that. I don't know about the side skirts. I don't know. I don't know. You guys, let me know what you think actually, because I'm at this point I'm gonna leave it like that. This color has really grown on me. I like it. I like it a lot. But yeah. So yeah, this is the setup for the night. I'm probably gonna clean up in here some. Call it a night. I don't have anything else really tonight that I really want to get done. I'm definitely not about to start on the front bumper tonight. It might be a weekend task, so they probably won't go in this video. But yeah, that's how it's looking. I don't know that I have anything else further. But thanks for watching. Like, follow, and subscribe.